guys, how are we doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining us today. I don't know, I'm in a weird mood. It is hot as Hades out here right now. Honestly, I'm loving it, but I'm a little bit red because it's hot. If you hear that faint noise in the background, it's because as soon as I turned on my camera, everyone in my neighborhood started mowing the yard. So it is what it is. I can't blame them though. We have been just like flooding and downpouring and thunderstorming here for weeks. So, you know, the yards need it. Anyways, what are we here for today? We are here for our, what month is it? May Yes Oh Yes bag. So let's get into this. I honestly don't think I've seen any spoilers for this that I can remember. So we're gonna open this up. She's full today. She's pretty solid. So let's see what is in here. I'm trying to find, there's always a, here it is. Cinco de Mayo is our theme. And it says we save 79% this month. So there is that. Of course, they don't give us prices or anything on here, so we never know. So let's just dig in. The first thing I pulled out to get to the card was this Laritzi. It's called a Dew Pot, and we have shade Halo. Dew Pot makes me think of maybe a highlighter. I don't really know. Okay, so it has this little container here, glass. It says Laritzi on the top. There's no safety seal, just the box, and then it looks like this, and it does appear to be like a cream. Yep, it is a cream highlighter. It's fairly pigmented, honestly. I don't know if you can see that. You really can't see that on my hand. There we go, there's a little bit. It's kind of a champagne-y gold. Texture is quite nice. I'm not real good at using cream highlighters, especially if I'm wearing other makeup. But on my no makeup days, it might be okay. I am just dehydrated. So yeah, sorry about that. All right, so next. Okay, we have a giant palette. It's the Seduce Me palette by Beauty Creations. This is what the back looks like, and we all know Beauty Creations is cruelty-free. Slide this out of the sleeve. The palette actually looks the same as the sleeve. It's got a giant mirror, and here is the palette. It's a pretty wide color scheme. This color here is actually a gray. It kind of is coming off on my screen as a little bit green, but it is gray, and this is a deep purple right here. So I have so many palettes in use right now. I'm not going to swatch this one just because I have so many. I can't use them, and it's coming to the point where I feel like it might be kind of wasteful. So I think I'm just going to set this one aside unless there's something that I absolutely need to use it for. And then we'll see if we can use it. But I'm really trying to get through some of my others first, because for real, I'm feeling like I have a problem. So I need to like figure out a better system, go through and maybe declutter, get rid of some of the things that I don't really love, and then maybe bring some other things into rotation. So anyways, moving on. The next thing, we have this Marabella lip, and it's a lip definer in the color Tease. It looks like this. So let's open this bitch up. It is a lip liner. Appears to be, yep, it is a wooden pencil. And same thing with this. I have other like NYX liners this color, so I'm not going to swatch it just because I don't want to kind of be wasteful. So I'm just going to set that aside as well. The next thing we have is this Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. This lip gloss has been all over the place. I've seen it. I think Boxy sent it out. Somebody else sent it out. So I don't know what the deal is, but it hasn't gotten very good reviews everywhere else that I've seen it. And I don't wear gloss unless it is my Too Faced lip injection. It's like a plumping gloss. And then I don't wear it very often. So I'm going to set this aside as well. Yeah. Like this whole bag I'm setting aside. Not because it's bad stuff. It's just not stuff that I'm going to realistically use right now. So, and the last thing in this box is a Masquerade Detox Diva mask. Ooh. So it looks like this. It's green tea, lemon, and cactus. And your girl is having some face situation right now. Like my skin is going crazy. So I might actually try that tonight because I need to do something tonight. So I might try that. So that's exciting. So that is everything that is in this month's Yes Oh Yes bag. Let me know what you think. Are you getting this bag? Did you get the same variation? Did you get a different one? I haven't seen very many people actually unbag this anymore. It was a little bit popular for a little while and then it kind of fell off. I still like it. For less than 20 bucks, it's not bad. Even if I do like not use these and get rid of them, these are great gifts. So can't be too mad at it, but I'm throwing things where they don't belong. Anyways, until next time, thanks guys. I'll see you then. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.